Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlink your CapCut from your TikTok. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application or the feature here is up to date. Now what you're going to do is you have to open your TikTok or launch your TikTok application, and then you have to go to your profile. You have to look for your profile here. And then at the top right corner you will see three lines. What you're going to do here is you have to locate your settings and privacy. So when you tap in these three lines here, you will see this settings and privacy below my QR code. Tap this one. And then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and then click the security and permissions that is below privacy. So you have to click this. Now here in security and permissions, you'll see all the device or devices that are linked to your CapCut. If you tap this manage devices, then you will see it right here. So basically, if your CapCut is here, if your CapCut is linked to your TikTok, then you will have the option below to remove access. So as you can see, read your profile info, avatar, display name, likes, count, follower count, following count, verify status, read and sync your favorite TikTok song. So it's already here. What you're going to do now is to click remove. And then as you can see, remove CapCut. In order for it to confirm, all you have to do is to click this remove again. And that's it. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.